the host for today's morning assembly. It's Monday. It's the beginning of the week. So let us start this energy-filled week with some energetic moves. So I would like to call upon Unsang and Nicole for a beautiful prayer song.
The light of your love is shining in the midst of the darkness shining. Jesus, light of the world, shine upon us. Set us free by the truth you know bring us. Shine on me, shine on me.
Language and leaders. I shall always strive to be and worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone.
Some international news. Ceasefire between Israel and militants in Gaza appears to hold after days of fighting. Colombian Navy intercept largest ever narco submarine in history with 3 tons of cocaine. Category 5 cyclone Mocha hits Myanmar and Bangladesh.
Good morning to each and everyone present here. I am Kamal of class 9C, standing in front of you to deliver the importance of today's date in history. May 15 is the 135th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. There are 230 days remaining until the end of this year. On this day in 1920, the first Mickey Mouse film was screened. On this day in 1718, the world's first machine gun is patented. 15 May is also observed as the International Day of Family. On this day in 1958, gift tax was introduced in India.
Success is not always about greatness. It is about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. Greatness will come. Good morning to everyone present here on this morning assembly. Honorable Principal, Father Augustine, members of the teaching staff, and my dear Bosconians. I am Neeraj Mayor from class 9C, and today I am going to present an important speech on the topic, hard work is the key to success. Hard work is an essential thing we all need in life. It is important to work hard. Hard work is an essential thing we all need in life. It is impossible to achieve greatness without working hard. In other words, an ideal person cannot gain anything if they wish to sit and wait for something else to happen. On the other hand, one who keeps working hard will constantly achieve success in life. First of all, let's try to understand what is the importance of hard work. Hard work is important and history has proved it time and again.
Today's thought of the day is, if you want light to come into your life, then you have to use that meditation. Thank you.
Children, we also had a good speech about hard work and success. Anything marvelous happens before anything marvelous happens outside. What I feel is we should begin first from within, inside. The personal management of what we do is very essential, very important. And the essence of personal management is nothing but personal discipline. And the essence of personal discipline is controlling our minds. That means you are capable of controlling your mind, the thoughts, the feelings, and every action that comes out of that thought will be always good, productive, and useful. And it is up to you to find out whether thoughts you have and the action that come out of that thoughts is always useful or productive for this or the society or to yourself. And if not, then it's high time that we begin to do it. Once you are able to control your thoughts, your mind, then most of the other activities will be in place.
Good morning to everyone present here in this morning assembly. Today, I, Sneha Das of class 9 is standing in front of you all, along with my classmates, to conduct today's morning assembly.
This is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. To be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders, and everyone.
Good morning to each and everyone present here. I, Nishika, student of class 9C, is standing here to deliver the importance of today's date in history. May 16 is the 136th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. 229 days remain until the end of this year. On this day in 1606, more than 2,000 foreign nationals were murdered in Russia. On this day in 1975, Sikkim became the 22nd state of India. On this day in 1996, Atal Bihari Vajpayee became the 10th Prime Minister of India.
In his headline and on his editorial page, news is what somebody somewhere wants to suppress. Now, I would like to call Silpi for the news headlines of last 24 hours.
Present here, I, Silpi, student of class 9C, standing in front of you to deliver the news headlines of last 24 hours. So, beginning with some international news. China premised first international video games science sector-wide crackdown. The Ministry of External Affairs said that India will hold the G20 presidency from December 1, 2023 and will convince the G20 leader. Cyclonic mocha that toll rises to 29 in Myanmar. Secondly, here are some national news. Railway wants to overhaul signage system for better sport news. Gujarat title beats Sunrisers Hyderabad. ICC Cricket Committee's kept soft signal. Last but not the least, here are some regional news.
Today in this morning assembly, I am Aina Barua from class 9C standing in front of you to speak a few words on the topic of passion. Passion is an emotion that drive us to propose our dreams, achieve our goals and live a fulfilling of life. It is the fires that burn within us that energy keep us moving forwards and inspiration that keep us going even when things get tough. Passion is what motivates us to wake up early in the morning and work late at night. It is the force that propels us to take risks and try new things and stay comfort our charms.
Good morning to all of you. Ask me, what is the secret of success? What is the mantra of success? We all of us want to be successful. So this young man also was wanting to be successful. So he approached Socrates, who is a world-renowned philosopher, and asked him, what is the secret for success? So he asked him to come to a river side. And the next day morning, the young boy reached the river, and Socrates took him inside the river. And when both of them reached almost up to the neck level of water, Socrates ducked the boy inside the water, and the boy was gasping for breath, but still Socrates couldn't leave him. But he went on to catch him, duck him inside the water for quite a long time, and the boy was almost struggling for breath. And then when there was no more chance left, he just let him go, and the boy was just relieved. And then Socrates told him, this is the secret for success. The way you were struggling for breath, that much desire if you have to be successful in your life, you are going to be successful. The way you struggle for breath, that much desire if you have every day, definitely you are going to be successful. Without a bit of desire or deep desire to be successful, nothing can be accomplished in life. Beginning of any accomplishment begins with that deep desire within you that I have to be successful.
With me in my mother's womb, you are with me in the day of gloom. You help me stand against all odds, and you fill me with your strength of love.
All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of each wish and where I retreat. Culture, language and religion.
Being ourselves every day is good and never fatigue. So I would like to call Yuvraj for the news.
Beginning with some international news. Taiwan speaker hails Japan, South Korea and Philippines for percent of defense. Hong Kong leader says China's sentencing of US citizens exposes national security threats. Europe takes steps towards making Russia pay for Ukraine war. Secondly, here are some national news. Government rejects US report criticizing India on religious freedom. Mumbai records 24 COVID-19 cases, no fatality. More than 100 people arrested after clashes in Maharashtra over social media posts. Thirdly, here are some regional news. Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma attends 5th DC conference in Tripura. Some controversial corps that Monty Rawa killed in a road accident, ending up with some sports film. Subman Gill became the first to score 100 in Test, ODI, T20 and IPL in the same calendar year. Yesterday's match between MI and LSG won by 5 runs. That's all for today's morning news headlines. Thank you and wonderful day ahead.
History is a set of lives every upon. Good morning each and everyone present in this beautiful morning. Myself, Jintumani Devi of class 9C, standing in front of you to deliver importance of today's date in history. May 17 is the 137th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar, and 228 days remaining until the end of the year. On this day in 1969, first the Mole Telecommunication Day was celebrated, and in 1782 the Treaty of Salabai took place between the Martha Rules and the East India Company. In 1959, the Buddhist teacher Dalai Lama arrived in India from Thailand. In 1962, Indian-American astronaut Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, district of Haryana. This is all about today's date in history. Thank you and have a nice day. Without remembering and always receive without forgetting. Good morning to one and all present in this morning assembly. I, Twinkle Begu of class 9C, standing in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic giving is better than receiving. The secret of true happiness lies in giving, not in receiving. Someone should partially say that it is in giving, not in receiving. Giving is the loveliest sentiment that humans have. It's the ability you give to others to become stronger than they would be. Giving is only one half of the law of increase and receiving is the other half. As Mahatma Gandhi says, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. True joy lies in the act of giving without an expectation of receiving something in return. The act of giving is kindness, self-esteem and bring happiness. We may give and give, but we may unbalance the law unless we also learn to accept it. The law of giving and receiving is simple. If you want love, learn to give love. If you want attention and appreciation, learn to give attention and appreciation. If you want to become mentally influent, help others to become mentally influent. If you want to be blessed with all the good things in your life, learn to bless silently with all the good things in your life.
Good morning to everyone. Today's thought of the day is just because you haven't found your talent yet, it doesn't mean that you do not have one. Thank you and have a nice day.
If you remember, the dinosaurs today became extinct because they were unwilling to change themselves according to the environmental changes. If you remember what happened to Nokia, the famous mobile company earlier mobile was the topmost mobile brand. But then when other companies made necessary changes with the latest features, the Nokia still continued to give the same service to customers, and that's why they became outdated and almost out of the market because there are so many other companies which are good available to the customers. Now, as a student, if you remember and if you know that there are certain things I have to make the changes, then we have to go for it. Instead of keeping it postponing day after day. It is very difficult to have the change, but once you realize actually how to make the necessary changes, whether it is regard to the academic performances or whether it is regarding getting up in the morning or whether it is making use of the time in the evening or some productive work. So find out what is the area where you are lacking, and if you realize actually how to make the necessary changes, children, you have to go for it. You should not keep postponing it or you should not be reluctant.
Beloved teachers, seniors and my dear friends, today I, Pongi Gaurav, the student of class 9C, along with my classmates, I am going to host today's morning. I am my country and I am proud of history and heritage, culture, language, and religion. I shall respect the word of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and others.
So I am now watching morning to one who are present here in the morning assembly. This is Krishamani Hazarika from class 9C standing in front of you to deliver a speech on the topic of value of time. If we know our responsibility before God for our life, we will know how much valuable is time for us. No man can achieve success if he didn't first know the value of time. Time is the only thing that never returns once you have spent it doing any work. It flows in a forward direction, that means time is irreversible. So we should not waste time in any way. All of us know that time can never be brought back, but still we waste it doing unnecessary work or doing nothing. All successful people respect the value of time in life. Good morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is success does not just come and find you. You have to go out and get it. Thank you.
As students, we should be always be careful about the little devils in our life. Once the devils had a meeting and the discussion was how to stop people from being good. And they asked many ideas from various other devils. And one of them said, I will go and tell people that there is no God. But the others were unwilling to take their suggestion because they said actually most of people believe that there is no God. And the second devil said, okay, in that case I will tell people there is no punishment after death. Even that suggestion also was not considered by other devils. And then as they were discussing, a little devil came up and he said that I will tell people that there is plenty of time you enjoy. And this is the advice of devil that as students we should be always be careful about. The little devil is every time coming and telling us that there's plenty of time, so you just enjoy now. As students, we should be all more careful because when you wanted to study, the little devil will be prompting you that now you don't need to study. The exam is not now. You need to study it later on. So in that way, we keep postponing what we are supposed to do. We do it almost every day. Especially when we should be all more aware about it. And the speaker was reminding us about the importance of the time. So what we are supposed to do today, we should be completing it today, whether it is homework or assignments or anything. As much as possible, we should be completing. We should not procrastinate. The most
Good morning everyone. Here I am Krishamani, student of class 9C, standing in front of you to host this morning assembly. Prayer is the best way to communicate with God. It purifies our minds and takes out negative thoughts. Let us join our hands for the prayer song.
Oh Master, grant that I may never see so much to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to love as to love with all my soul. Make me a channel of your peace.
With mercy to my country and my people, I place my devotion. India well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Good morning, ladies and everyone. Myself, Soil Qureshi, the top headline of last 24 hours. Firstly, beginning with some international news. China's international search and rescue efforts unfortunately. Yesterday, agreements between SRH and RCB. RCB won by 8 wickets, and Virat Kohli was the player of the match. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to one and all present here. I, student of class 9C, standing in front of you to deliver the important of today's learning history. On this amazing, the 139th day of the year, according to the Gregorian calendar, 226 days remaining until the end of the year. In 1913, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy became the 6th president of India. Let's all thank you and have a good day.
I am from class 9C and today I am going to share my views on the topic technology can be used to reach the biodiversity as well as to destroy. Just how it should be handled carefully or it may destroy the biodiversity either intentionally or unintentionally through its unmanaged effect. Thus, awareness and responsibility is the key when dealing with technology. manufacturing, transportation, tech operations have been identified as the primary contributors to the global warming crisis. Not much, however, is known about smartphones having a highly detrimental impact on the physical and social well-being of the planet.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is do not believe in luck, believe in hope.
The same time given to us. That means 24 hours in a day and almost I think 168 hours in a week. Now, only a student who is disciplined and having strong willpower can really make use of this time that is available to us in a productive way, in a good way, in a useful way, in a very constructive way. If we like discipline and willpower, these two are like muscles in a body. If your body is to be, if your physical body is to be strong, you need to have good muscles, you need to build up good muscles. So also, if you really wanted to make use of the time that are available to you, you should be disciplined and you should be having very strong willpower.
Father, for his valuable words and his kind information, with this we conclude